Hello everyone, welcome back to AAS Publishing. This will be module number 4 out of 4, so this is our last one on ebooks, and I want to cover some of the forthcoming titles that are in the pipes and will be published soon. So just as gentle reminders, ebooks range in level from short introductory text on fast-moving areas, 21 centimeter cosmology for example, through graduate and upper level undergraduate textbooks to research monographs and practical handbooks. Best part, ebooks are free to download, read, keep forever for students, faculty, and staff of institutions with library subscriptions to the series. So if you have an idea for an ebook, go ahead and send a summary of your idea detailing the topic, the target audience, the concept, completion date, include your CV, contact details, and send it to the email address listed in the video, and I'll also put it in the description down below and get going on the discussion of potentially having an ebook. So authors who have done that and are in the forthcoming ebook series, I'm going to walk through these, include Astronomy Education Volume 2, Best Practices for Online Learning Environments, editors by Chris Impey and Matthew Wegner. This goes down the education and outreach. And I've been doing some videos with Chris on taking your teaching online in a hurry, some of the topics there. I'll put a link on that in the description down below. Polarimetry of Explosive Transients by Justin Mott and Fernando Patat. Exofrontiers, Big Questions in Exoplanetary Science. Exoplanetary Science, editor is Niku Madhusudan. Excuse me if I butcher any of the names. My apologies up front. Common Envelope Involution by Natalia Ivana, Stefan Justin, and Paul Ricker. So there's 4. There's 4 more. The Solar Wind, Present and Understanding and Open Questions, authored by Leon Offman. Origins of Giant Planets, Physics, Chemistry, and Chronology of Giant Planet Formation by Sarah Dodson Robinson. Essentials for Nucleosynthesis and Theoretical Astrophysics by Thomas Rauscher. And Life with Hubble, an Insider's View of the World's Most Famous Telescope by David Lacrone. Introductory Notes on Planetary Science, the Solar System, Exoplanets, and Planet Formation, authors of Colette Salick and Kevin Lewis. Interstellar Flow and Star Formation by Enrique Vasquez Samadini. Hope I said that right. Vignettes, I like vignettes. Vignettes from General Relativity by Beverly Berger, and Planetary Habitability by Stephen Kane. So that's 12. A lot of ebooks in the pipes. Still got more that are in the pipes, going to be coming out soon. So we're having a small explosion of ebooks coming out here soon. Accreting White Dwarfs by Ed Sion. An Introduction to Stellar Magnetic Activity by Gabor Basri. The NASA Kepler and K2 missions by Steve Howell. And Radio Pulsar Statistics by Duncan Lorimore. Planetary Diversity from Elizabeth Tasker, Magnetic Fields in OB&A Stars by Svetlana Hubrig and Marcus Scholler. Evolution and Seismology of Red Giant Stars by Andrea Miglio and Arlette Knowles. Principles of Multi-Messenger Astronomy by Miroslav Filopic and Nick Totil. Multi-Messenger Astronomy in Practice. This is a compendium. Editors are Miroslav Filopak and Nick Totil. So we get 2 from that set of authors. Foundations of Quantum Cosmology by Martin Bourgeois. An Introduction to Solar Variability, Scales, and Impact from Scott McIntosh. Dust in Planetary Systems, Observation and Dynamics of Interplanetary, Circumplanetary, and Near-Surface Dust by Joshua Caldwell. Seeing the Unseen, Mount Wilson's Role in High Angular Resolution Astronomy by Hal McAllister. The Structural Evolution of Galaxies Through Cosmic Time by Chris Consolis. Chris happens also to be the lead editor of the Cosmology and Galaxies Corridor for the AAS journals. Active Galactic Nuclei, Fueling and Feedback by Francois Combs. Polarization in Astrophysics, the Infrared Through Radio by David Chuss and Ed Wallach. And finally, rounding out the forthcoming series are Cloud Computing in Astronomy by G. Bruce Berriman and Gravitational Wave in Physics and Astrophysics by M. Coleman Miller and Nicholas Eunice. So you can tell, let's see, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 30 forthcoming ebooks on topics that I hope at least one of them or more will interest you. That's what I had to say about ebooks. Thank you very much for listening. If you've got suggestions for topics to cover, go ahead and shoot me an email, and we'll see you on other video series. Thanks. Bye-bye.